The focus of this video lesson is Intro to Savings Accounts vocabulary. What is a savings account? It is an account in which the bank pays interest for the use of the money deposited into the account. The bank will agree to give you a percent of the money you deposited after a certain amount of time. They do this because when you put your money in and you don't use it, they can then use your money to earn interest off of loans or other investments. There are many types of savings accounts. The most common is called a statement savings account. This is generally what most people will open as students or when they get their first account. Some of these accounts require a minimum balance, though with a statement savings account, the minimum balance is usually relatively small, generally as low as $5. Some statement savings accounts have a fee if it falls below that minimum balance, in some cases that $5. There is no interest if below the minimum, meaning you will not actually receive any savings account interest earnings if you are below that. The interest rate on statement savings accounts is quite low. Another type of savings account is the money market account. A money market account has higher interest rates than a statement savings account. It has a higher initial deposit required, a higher minimum balance, and a limited number of transactions, meaning you cannot pull money in and out of this account as easily as you can with the statement savings account. However, it does have a higher interest rate. The next type of savings account is called a certificate of deposit or CD account. You must deposit a specific amount into this account. You are guaranteed a payment of the interest at what's called the maturity. Maturity just means after a specific amount of time. For example, you might have a 5-year CD for $3,000 at a 5% interest rate. The longer your term, so the longer they hold your money, the higher the interest they're going to guarantee. The reason that banks do this is the longer they have your money, the more they can do with it. There are no deposits or withdrawals without a penalty. If you try to pull money out of your CD account, you will get penalized. There will be a fee, a large fee. Your job now is to read a couple of scenarios and determine which type of account should be opened based on the scenario. The type of savings accounts you open depends on many factors. So read each scenario carefully and choose the best savings account for them. Statement savings, money market, certificate of deposit, and explain why. Submit your answers to Canvas.